Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn about ordinal numbers in Hindi. Ordinal numbers are known as Kram Suchak Sankhya in Hindi. Kram stands for a sequence. Suchak means to inform and Sankhya means number. So, Kram Suchak Sankhya refers to numbers just as in English that convey or determine the position of an object or a person in respect to other objects and persons in a sequence. For example, first, second, third, fourth, etc. So, friends, in order to understand and converse with people in Hindi, ordinal numbers play a very significant role. So, let's get started. First is known as Pehla in Hindi or Pratham in Hindi. So you can either say Pratham or you can say Pehla. Second is known as Dusra in Hindi. Third is known as Tisra in Hindi. Fourth is known as Chautha in Hindi. Fifth is known as Panchva in Hindi. Sixth is known as Chhatwa in Hindi. Seventh is known as Satwa in Hindi. Eighth is known as Atwa in Hindi. Ninth is known as Nova in Hindi. Nova. And 10th is known as Daswa in Hindi. So friends, now that you know the ordinal numbers in Hindi from 1 to 10, that is Pehla, Dusra, Tisra, Chautha, Panchva, Chhatwa, Satwa, Atwa, Nova, Daswa. Here are my tips and tricks that will help you spell any ordinal number in Hindi with ease. So friends, after fifth number, that is, what is the Hindi word for fifth? Panchva. The rule is that we add a va at the end of the Hindi number. Let's understand with the help of a few examples. Let's take 11th. The Hindi word for 11 is gyaraha. So what we will do is, we will end gyaraha with a va. So 11th will become gyaraha va. Similarly, 12th will become barahva. 13th will become terahva. Similarly, 19th will become unnisva. 25th, it will become pachisva. 31st will become iktisva. 50th will become pachasva. 65th will become paisatva. 80th will become asiva. And 100th will become sauva. So friends, now you know that for numbers from 1st until 4th, we have special numbers, that is Pehla, Dusra, Tisra, Chautha. But from 5th onwards, that is Panchva, Chhatwa, Satwa. After that, you can pick any number in Hindi. You just have to end that number. Once that number ends, you end that word for the number with a va at the end. Say 1000. 1000 is known as 1000, 1000वां. 2000, 2000वां, etc. So friends, I hope this video helped you learn ordinal numbers in Hindi. I hope this trick will help you in speaking any ordinal number in Hindi with ease. So friends, I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.